Hi friends, this is Anna with Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff. I'm here today to show you some more new products that are coming in our catalog release on tomorrow, June 3rd. And this one is a masculine set. The stamp set is called Beautiful World, but this is part of a product suite called World of Good. And I want to introduce you to these products really quick. So I'm going to bring in some of the designer papers. These are in some nice masculine colors, and they have the brass accents here. You can see, move them a little so you can see that. So really nice earth tones. I have the stamp set here. This does have a coordinating die set, and this embossing folder I just love. I use this on today's card. This is called the Old World embossing folder. So these are just a few of the products. We have a Memories and More card pack and a few other things that coordinate with these products. Oh, and the, I guess I should mention this amazing paper right here. Can you see that? I think you can see that. I embossed that with the Old World embossing folder, but that is our new brass foil paper. And I just think that is amazing. It, in person, it looks like there is a piece of old metal laying in front of me. So I just love how that looks on this card. So let me show you how we're going to make this. I'm making this one in a different color. These are two of our new in colors. This is Misty Moonlight. This is Cinnamon Cider. So I have the card base prepared. I cut a piece from that designer paper. I love this one. It is a map and with the brass accents. So this measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I have a piece of that brass foil paper that I embossed with the Old World embossing folder. It even sounds like metal when I tap on it. So that measures 2 by 5 1/2. And then I have two pieces that I have cut out using our stitched nested labels dies. These are a set that you can use on so many cards. It's really nice. I love my squares and I love my circle dies. These are really nice when you have something that isn't, you know, about the same proportions tall and wide. These are perfect. So I have those cut out already as well. So we'll go ahead and start to assemble this, and then we'll do our stamping. So I am just going to stick this to the front of the card. I wanted this to cover the entire card front. Usually I trim them down a little, but today I wanted to cover that whole card up with this designer paper. Now this, I was concerned about it staying attached, so I have used some stronger adhesive, some of our tear and tape on the back here, and I've already put it on. I just need to peel off the paper backing. And it's being difficult this morning. I need to remember a lot of times I don't press it down well enough at the corners, and then it tries to peel up as I'm trying to take the paper backing off. So we'll put this over here. Now for the piece that I die cut, I was also concerned about it sticking to this. So I put some more of this tear and tape adhesive on the back of it. There we go. Put that on. Now let's do our stamping. And I am using Misty Moonlight ink to match this card. And I don't have any of our new in color inks yet. So I got this Misty Moonlight mini ink spot in our paper pumpkin kit this month. So I'm going to use it. Really like these little ink spots for certain projects. For Stamparatus, they can be pretty handy. So we'll stamp Adventure Awaits. Now I'll bring in the globe. When I have these little ones, it is kind of nice to ink. If it's a bigger stamp, lay it upside down and ink it this way. I find that that's a little bit easier. Stamp this globe on here. And now I want to put the little base under it. And there we go, we have our stamping done. So I want to put dimensionals behind this one to pop it up just a touch. I'm not sure what my pattern is here with my dimensionals. That is just not regular whatsoever. And lay that on there. Now I have a bow already made. This came out, this is actually gold trim, but I thought it matched really well. Came out of our Forever Greenery trim combo pack. I used the same trim on yesterday's project, so I have a feeling you're going to be seeing this a lot because I think it might be one of my new favorites. So I'll put just a little dot of glue there. Lay that on top, and we have these finished. I just love these. Of course, pretty flowery purple and pink cards are my favorite, but when it's time to make some cards for the men, I think this is a really nice set. So I'll bring the stamp set back in. Hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.